how to connect the DJI Mic Mini to iPhone and using the Blackmagic Cam application. And okay guys, here, so this is the DJI Mic Mini and this is my iPhone mobile phone. To connect, you'll have to do first is turn on the DJI Mic Mini. So okay, press the power button of your DJI Mic Mini and you can see the blue blinking. Okay, means the DJI Mic Mini is on. So to link this DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone, you'll have to do is press the link button here, press and hold until the blinking is blue and green. So means the DJI Mic Mini is searching for Bluetooth to connect. On your iPhone, you'll have to do is go to settings, go to Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and now searching for this DJI mic. So here the DJI Mic Mini, you'll have to do is select this to connect. Okay, we have successfully connected. And after you connect on your Bluetooth, okay, now we have go to Blackmagic Cam application. And okay guys, here in Blackmagic Cam application, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. And now here in settings of this Blackmagic Cam, scroll down and go to audio section. Here in audio section, you can see the audio source. And the audio source is set into iPhone microphone. So to set into DJI Mic Mini, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see the option. So you can now select the DJI Mic Mini to use this DJI Mic Mini as a mic of your iPhone. And okay, we have successfully linked or connected this DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone. And now you can record using this DJI Mic Mini. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully connected or linked this DJI Mic Mini to iPhone. So okay, you can see the blue means connected. If you want to use this noise cancellation of this DJI Mic Mini, okay, you'll have to do is press the power button once and you can see the light on the upper right side of this DJI Mic Mini. So the light indicator is color yellow. So means the noise cancellation of this DJI Mic Mini is now activated. So if you want to deactivate, you'll have to do is press again the power button once to remove the light, and now the noise cancellation is off to your DJI Mic Mini. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully connected this DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone using the Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.